with Mark Knapp, and we're talking about roll cabs, specifically the Masters box here. Great looking color, many different color combinations, but we're talking about power tools and power tool organization.
We have a great opportunity to store power tools. It's our power tool organization drawer.
That looks great. That looks really slick because sometimes you see technicians utilizing that bottom drawer scattered about, and this is really tight and right.
Yeah, you'll notice a lot of cordless tools in this drawer.
Okay, so you got pneumatic, you got power. What's the solution for power tools?
Glad you asked. New power drawer.
The new power drawer. And what this does is take all your powered items organized neatly.
Nice secured location and a 5-outlet staggered charger.
All right, so footprint is smaller because if they're in a row, it takes up a lot of the box, as well as 2 USBs, made in USA power strip.
Yeah, it's a great feature for any technician who needs to take the charging off the top of the box and get it in a secured location.
It's a great solution to keep your batteries secure, charged, and ready to go whenever you need them.